Afternoon, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. Today we are sat in a Porsche. We do a lot of Volkswagen and Audi videos, but today we've been working in this 2015 Porsche Macan. Quite a big car, and this is featuring the PCM 3.1. So it's the radio nav, and then behind this little flap you've got the drive and the SIM card slot. So just going to pop the key in. We have been fitting a front and rear reversing camera, or front and rear parking camera. So we do a lot of reversing cameras, but more and more customers are now asking for the whole front and rear package. Now this has been quite a difficult car to work on, just to get the bumpers off both front and rear and to fit the camera, especially at the front. So going to pop it into reverse. System won't work if the handbrake is on. So once you've taken the handbrake off, you've gone into reverse gear, you've already got factory overlay parking sensor module, which is fantastic because it gives you that bit more of a factory feel. You don't get any moving guidelines on this car, so I'm just going to pop it into drive. Just going to move forward a tiny bit. So just shut those sensors up, put it back into reverse. Okay, so go into reverse, you can see a nice clear image, but we have got quite a bright sunny day down here in Poole, so that's why the camera's not working as well as it would normally. So then if we drive up to the next object, which is in front of us, front camera doesn't come on automatically, you have to select it. So it's a button down here, which is the rear window defrost. I'm going to double press it, and the front camera should then come on like so. Didn't the first time, but probably because of my finger that doesn't press very well. So the front camera's come on. You've got the front overlay, so we can just go a little bit closer to like so, and then pop it back into reverse. Got the rear image, back into drive. Now because we're in this mode, that will toggle between the front and rear, no problem. So if I go into reverse now, and then I'm going to just pull away as you would normally, because this is an aftermarket product, it doesn't take data necessarily from the CAN bus side of things. You need to press a button for that front camera to switch off. So the OPS overlay will disappear and the front camera stays on, which some people would say is pretty cool, but what you actually have to do is press a button on the radio display, and you can see it's such an amazing image on there. So we'll just turn around. Okay, no moving guidelines, just a clear picture. So as you drive away now, to get rid of that front image, press anything on here, return, tuner, whatever you want to do, and then what you can do is then go back into your park maneuver. Okay, because I'm still in drive, the car automatically detects that parking sensor mode is on and the front camera comes on, and hopefully, fingers crossed, because a couple of times, yeah, so it comes into reverse gear, mirror tilts down, and then you go into your reverse maneuver like so. And it will take you a few days to get used to the camera image. So just put it into park mode. So for you guys, again, this is a front and rear Porsche Macan 2015 aftermarket camera system, all on the factory screen, no other buttons, switches, remote controls, and a beautiful job. So if you want one of these, get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks very much.